Hey y'all, I just thought I'd come on out here and show you it's snowing. Now I don't know if it's going to show up on camera or not. Well, here it is. What is this? April? March? Middle of March and we're getting snow? Jeez. Oh yeah, you like the snow, don't you, big guy? Ain't that pretty, folks? We're going to use some more snowpack up in the mountains, so this is alright. Kind of puts a damper on me getting my ground worked out in my garden. Starting to keep on getting itchy to get it tilled up and start getting the garden ready. Then it does this. Here, I'll show you where the chickens like to go in this kind of weather. They like going in my woodshed to get out of the rain or the snow. And some of them are underneath my daughter's trailer. Anyway, I'll keep y'all posted throughout the day. They're saying that we could get anywhere from 4 to 10 inches of snow here. What's Stir Fry getting at now? I don't know. She's a little speck on this camera. I don't know if she'll come on out where you can see her on over there by the sawmill. But yeah, this is right now it's turning into rain and a snow mix. We'll see if we get anything that sticks. It's supposed to, around noon, 1 o'clock, somewhere around there, it's supposed to be solid snow. A good solid heavy snow for several hours. Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handy like me, they can find you handsome like me. And if they don't find you handsome like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? Now I'm going back in to sit by the wood stove and stay warm. Bye! Yeah, y'all come back now here. Now if women can't find you handy, or they can't find you good looking like me, just pray that they find you. And that's all I got to say about that. Y'all come back now, you hear?